Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Trippi Troppi. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Trippi Troppi, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to begin right here and we're just going to make a circle for an eye. Then we're going to leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye over here. I want to make a tall oval inside each one. And then we're going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white for like the reflection inside the pupil. I'm going to make a little line across and a line that goes down and up for the nose. And then I'm going to make a little line that comes up here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and up for one of the cheeks. I'll make another line that's going to go down and then up here. Then I'll make a little line that goes down, put a couple little points on it, and then bring it up. We're going to make a little line above each one. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve up here. And then we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve up here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down for the ear. I'll make a little curve and then a zigzag in there. Over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down for the ear. We'll make that little curve, and then we'll put the zigzag. Next, we're going to make the little shrimp eyes. So I'm going to make a circle here, and then a circle here. And I'm going to color these in, leaving just a tiny bit white at the top. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then we'll make a little wiggle line here. Next, we're going to add some whiskers. And then we're going to put a few stripes on each side of the face. And then a couple stripes coming down on top of the head. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve out and then down here. Then starting here, I'm going to curve a line that's going to come up. Make another line that's going to come up. We'll curve one here, and then one here. Next, for the tail, we're going to bring a line that's going to go out. It's going to curve around and up. And then one more. It's going to go out and curve around and up. Then we can put some little lines on here. Next, for the little legs, we're going to make a line that's going to come out and down, and then we're going to bring these back up. Do that again, out and down, bring it up, out and down, bring it up, out and down, bring it up. We'll do the same thing. We're going to go down, bring it around, and then come right up to here. We'll do another one here, and then just kind of put them right next to each other. And then these ones on the front, I'm going to add an extra little bump on each one. Then I'm just going to make a little wiggly line right down the middle. And there you go. There is your drawing of Trippi Troppi. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.